Want to use a NoSQL database in Python without any server setup? Let me show you TinyDB. It's lightweight, fast, and super easy to use. First, install it by running pip install TinyDB. Now let's import TinyDB and the query class from the library. Next, we create a new database file called data.json. This is where all our data will be stored. Now let's insert some records. We're adding 3 people, Alice, Bob, and Charlie, each with a name and an age. When we run the code, the data gets added to the data.json file. Let's take a quick look. Everything is added side by side, just the way we want it. Time to read data from the database. Let's start by listing all records. Just use all. You can print all the data in the database to the console just like this. It's that easy. Next, we'll search by name. For example, find the person whose name is Alice. And finally, let's filter by age. We'll search for people older than 30. Each search gives us a list of matching records, and all the data is saved in a JSON file that you can open and read anytime. Perfect for small apps, experiments, or just learning NoSQL the easy way. Want to go further with MongoDB or real-time databases? Follow for more.